Hiccups. They're adorable in babies, annoying in adults, but why? Blame your diaphragm, that muscle below your lungs, when it spasms uncontrollably, often from gulping food too fast, chugging soda or spicy food irritating nerves. Even stress or laughing too hard can trigger it. Stop hiccups in seconds. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Chug water upside down. Eat a spoon of sugar. All these reset your diaphragm. It forces your body to focus calming those crazy spasms. Hiccups are just a weird body glitch. Want more quick science hacks? Follow at Hive. We explain life's quirks fast. Follow at Hive. We explain life's quirks fast.